Good morning! How is everybody this morning? My name is Tiffany Gorski, wife of Sean Gorski, the owner of Under Pressure Power Washing. And today I'm going to be accompanying him to work because we need both work trucks, and we get to spend a little extra time together, so we make it a fun day together. We are out in the boondocks, as you can see, and why he really needs me is because I need to transfer water, because this house is on a well and it's not going to be able to pump the water as fast as we need to pump the water out with an 8-gallon-a-minute machine. So with keeping him nice and full, that's my job, is to keep him full on the water so he can keep cleaning the house, because owning a business and all time is money. So I'm going to keep you updated and posted on everything that we're going to be doing, and we will go from there. So watch the full video. See, it's filling up the water. Put the quarters in the machine. Must be a leaf in there or something. It fills it up. John's probably thinking, where the hell are you? Oh, it only took me 6 minutes to screw that stupid thing up in there. So I'm gonna fill this up, and then I'm heading back on the way over back to the house so we can get clean. He's already started cleaning the gutters, so we'll keep you updated. And that's what happens when you don't tighten it good enough. Now it's gonna be even longer. Great. Look how sweet. Give me a heart. I love you. I'm just super excited to be working with him today. I love working with him. I love working out with him. We're all in the business of clean lifestyle, and we're gonna get this lovely home nice and clean, so when they roll up on their property and see their home, their investment, where they spend most of their time at, they're gonna feel just a relief on how clean it's gonna come, because that's what we do. We do it, and we do it right. So